Hi guys, this is a quick video. I'm taking the dog for a walk because even though I have things to do at home, doggo still needs walking. And this is where we walk past every day. So this beautiful tree, and listen to the birds. Changing of the weather, the birds are all out and about, and this is down the road from me. So we'll just go a bit closer to the lake. Come on, Willow! He needs his walk, because if he doesn't get his walk, he is gets very naughty. He likes to need to get rid of some of the energy that he has. And I don't know if you can see, but up here, oh shit! Sorry about that. I went to do something and drop the dog leash. So you can see up here, see, this is a white cockatoo. So that's what's making all the noise. There's lots of them around. I'll just pick, oh dear. Come here a minute, I don't need you. Oh goodness. And I think they're a bit upset because I'm walking underneath. There they are. Let's go down to the lake edge. You can see them all nesting in the trees here. See them? We've got a little bit of lake here with some duckies on them. This dries up completely usually in summer. And also if there's fires, the heli tankers come along and drain it as well. They take the water out of here. But we do have some duckies and they're enjoying the water. And the cockatoos mating, see that? And they do mate for life, cockatoos, so yeah, there you go. So just a quick hello, let everyone know how things are going, and this is where sometimes Willow and I, this is Willow, very anxious to go. This is where we come sometimes, and I thought I would share the noisy walk we have. So until next time, many blessings everyone, and merry part.